Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Golang on Rocky Linux 9.2. The Golang was developed by Google as an open source programming language. There are a variety of operating systems and frameworks used by software developers to create web applications, cloud service, and networking applications. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Rocky Linux 9.2. Okay, let's move to the installation procedure. First, I am going to update the system by using the following command. Next, I am going to download the Golang by using the wget command. Once the download is completed, extract the archive file by using the following command. Next, we need to set the Go environment variable by using the below step. Add the following lines at the end of the file. Then save and exit from the text editor. Next, we need to load the updated environment variable by using the following command, or you can restart your system. Now check the Golang version by using the following command. The Golang version is 16.5. By this way, you can install Golang on Rocky Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.